Clean, better-tasting water at home starts with smart filtration that removes impurities while preserving essential minerals for everyday drinking, cooking, and family health. Best Faucet water filter solutions deliver instant purity, easy installation, consistent flow, and reliable long-term performance daily. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. CuZn Chlorine Faucet Water Filter. The CuZn Chlorine Faucet Water Filter stands out for users who prioritize long-term value and consistent filtration performance without ongoing replacement costs. Designed with an impressive 5-year filtration lifespan, this system significantly outperforms many conventional faucet and under-sink filters that require frequent cartridge changes. Its 3-stage filtration process combines micro-sediment membranes, KDF55 media, and high-quality coconut shell carbon to effectively reduce chlorine, lead, PFAs, PFOA/PFOS, and other common contaminants while preserving beneficial minerals naturally present in water. This balance results in noticeably cleaner, crisper-tasting water suitable for drinking, cooking, and everyday household use. Installation is straightforward and user-friendly, requiring no drilling or permanent modifications, making it suitable for both kitchen and bathroom sinks with limited space. Independent testing and NSF/ANSI 42 certified components reinforce confidence in its filtration claims and material safety. Number 2. Waterdrop NSF Faucet Water Filter. The Waterdrop NSF Faucet Water Filter is designed for households seeking efficient filtration, fast flow rates, and reliable certifications in a compact, faucet-mounted form. Certified by NSF 42 for chlorine, taste, and odor reduction, and NSF 372 for lead-free materials, it delivers safer and better-tasting water directly from the tap. Its advanced ACF filtration material ensures rapid water flow, allowing multiple bottles to be filled in minutes without noticeable pressure loss. With a rated capacity of 320 gallons, or approximately 3 months of typical use, it outlasts many standard faucet filters and reduces the frequency of replacements. The filter effectively reduces lead and chlorine, improving overall water quality for drinking and cooking. Designed to fit standard faucets, it installs easily without tools, though compatibility should be verified as it does not support pull-out, spray, or sensor faucets. The compact housing blends well with modern kitchen fixtures while maintaining durable construction. Number 3. Waterdrop Faucet Water Filter. The Waterdrop Faucet Water Filter offers a practical solution for improving tap water taste and clarity while maintaining consistent water flow. Certified to NSF/ANSI 42 standards for chlorine, taste, and odor reduction, and NSF/ANSI 372 for lead-free materials, it provides dependable filtration, backed by recognized testing standards. The filter uses advanced filtration technology to reduce common impurities, resulting in cleaner, fresher-tasting water suitable for daily consumption. Designed to last approximately 3 months under typical use, it delivers reliable performance without frequent maintenance interruptions. One of its key advantages is smooth water flow, as the filtration media effectively traps sediment and debris without restricting output. Compatibility is broad, fitting a wide range of PUR Advanced and Advanced Plus faucet mount systems, making it a flexible replacement option for many households. Installation is simple, allowing users to quickly upgrade water quality without specialized tools or professional assistance. Number 4. WINGSOL Faucet Water Filter. The WINGSOL Faucet Water Filter is designed for users who value reusability, sediment removal, and cost-efficient filtration. Featuring a stainless steel construction and a reusable filter cartridge, it can be refreshed by brushing the surface when clogged, extending usability and reducing waste. With a filtration accuracy of 0.5 microns, it effectively removes common sediments such as rust, sand, and dirt, making it especially useful in areas with visible particulate contamination. The filter also partially reduces odors and improves water taste, enhancing everyday drinking and cooking experiences. Rated for up to 250 gallons, or approximately 4 months of use, actual lifespan depends on local water quality and sediment levels. WINGSOL offers multiple replacement cartridge options tailored to different needs, including alkaline enhancement and anti-clogging designs, providing flexibility for varied water conditions. Installation is straightforward, fitting directly onto compatible faucets without complex tools. While it does not reduce TDS or address chemical contaminants at the level of carbon-based systems, it excels as a mechanical filtration solution. Number 5. PUR Plus Faucet Water Filter. The PUR Plus Faucet Water Filter is a well-established option for households seeking certified, easy-to-use filtration with visible maintenance reminders. Equipped with advanced 3-in-1 filtration technology, it effectively reduces chlorine, lead, microplastics, and up to 70 chemical and physical substances commonly found in tap water. Certified by NSF and WQA, the system delivers improved taste and safer drinking water with every pour. Each filter lasts up to 3 months or 100 gallons, and the built-in filter change light provides a clear alert when replacement is needed, ensuring consistent performance over time. Installation is quick and tool-free, fitting securely onto most standard faucets with a vertical, space-saving design. The faucet-mounted system allows users to switch between filtered and unfiltered water, adding convenience for tasks like washing dishes. While it is not compatible with pull-out or handheld faucets, its solid construction and trusted filtration credentials make it a dependable choice for many kitchens. Overall, the PUR Plus Faucet Water Filter combines ease of use, strong contaminant reduction, and proven certification. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon